Some big news coming in. Shouvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda to be taken for medical tests shortly by the narcotics after the duo were arrested yesterday. Some big news coming in on Shouvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda now to be taken for a medical test shortly by the narcotics after the duo were arrested. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, now this was inevitable. Shouvik and Samuel will have to go through a narco test, a blood test, a full thorough medical test after the duo were arrested. What do you think is going to be the course of events today?
Medical.
Well, they'll also have to go through a COVID test. NCB's office is right behind us. They will be taken for a medical, after which they'll be produced in Esplanade Magistrate Court in Mumbai. And NCB is likely to ask for a custody. Remember, two accused already in this case have got the NCB custody. For Shouvik and Samuel, the NCB will also be asking for a police custody on the grounds that they want to unearth a bigger cartel of drugs in Bollywood. Dipesh Sawant, who was brought in yesterday for questioning, he is still inside. We are yet to know whether he is arrested or not, whether he'll be produced in court today or not, or whether he'll be just questioned. And tomorrow, his arrest will take place. So these are the events which are likely to take place. But also importantly, NCB is the most active agency in this entire Sushant Singh Rajput case. They are likely to summon Rhea Chakrabarti on Sunday. So we'll have to see how the events go by. Back to you.
Mustafa, thank you very much. But before that, I'd like to ask you here, we're looking at Shouvik and Samuel Miranda, both of them being arrested. On what charges, if you can list out exactly what are the charges? We believe that Rhea Chakravarti's brother, Shouvik, has admitted to supplying drugs to a few Bollywood personalities. Is that right?
Yes, that's what the information we have from the NCB sources. They are saying that Shouvik Chakrabarti has accepted that he circulated drugs. Whether he sold it or not, that is not clear, but he did give drugs to other Bollywood personalities also. So that is a bigger racket which the basically agency was looking at. And what NCB has said, that he was a facilitator who not only for Sushant but arranged narcotics for some other Bollywood stars. This then takes us to the point whether more people, more drug peddlers could be involved in this case, because NCB is looking at a big drawn case here, because if electronic evidences and chats are being used and confessions are being used to unearth a drug cartel, then there are many people who must be having such chats, and they will be in the NCB net. We'll have to see how far the NCB goes in this case. As far as the sections are concerned, Section 28 of NDPS Act has been applied.
Yeah, clearly we're looking at a much larger nexus here. The supply chain must be cracked into. That should be stopped first. Of course, peddlers there, one after the other, being nabbed by the NCB. This could be a real lead for the probe agency there. Mustafa, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.